Claude Code just changed how I make content for YouTube. My last video got more than 80,000 views in less than 3 days, which is 3 times more views than I usually get.
This guy got 80,000 views in 3 days using one AI tool.
So if that sounds interesting, let me show you how you can create this tool for yourself. Let's begin. The first thing you need is to have an account on Claude. If you don't have an account, open a new browser tab and search for Claude AI over here, just like me. Hit enter and go to Claude over here, Claude, this one with this icon. Go to Claude and create a new account. And by the way, for this to work, you need a subscription to Claude.
He built a private thumbnail tester using Claude AI. No coding, no tech skills needed. Just a Claude account and a computer. Create your account, get the pro subscription, download Claude Code. That's your whole setup done.
As you can see on the screen, this is the subscription I have, the Pro subscription. Now, if you don't want to get a subscription to Claude, I still recommend you watch this entire video because maybe by the end of the video, you can decide if it's worth getting a subscription to Claude or not. After you create an account on Claude, you need to download Claude on your computer. And for that, open a new browser tab over here, just like me, and search for Claude Code.
But before Claude builds anything, there's one specific button you need to click first.
You can create this tool. Over here to the top where it says code, where my mouse is, click on code. And this is where we will prompt Claude to create our tool. Now, first of all, make sure to select over here auto accept edits. As you can see over here, if you click on this,
there's a button at the top called code. That's your command center. Click it. Switch the model to Opus 4.6. Turn on auto accept edits. 3 clicks and Claude is fully ready to build your tool.
We have ask permissions, and then we have auto accept edits. Make sure to select auto accept edits. Then over here where it says Sonnet 4.6, make sure to select the Opus 4.6. Now over here down in the
once that's set, launching your tool has one small trick most people miss.
The website. Now when Claude Code is done, it's going to either ask you if you wanted to start it, or it's going to give you the link directly. If it didn't give you the link, just type in yes over here because it's asking you a question. As you can see, would you like me to start it? Just type in yes. So again, click always allow for this project, right? Then Claude Code is going to ask you to install this package over here. To proceed, just type in Y like this and type enter.
Claude finishes coding and asks you one question. Type yes. Click always allow. Type Y to install one small package. Claude gives you a link, paste it in your browser. Your tool is now live on your computer.
And it's going to install this package. You need this in order to run your website locally, right? As you can see over here. And that's it. This is your local link to your own website. So if you click on this link over here, it's going to copy, and then you can open a new browser tab on your browser like this. And over here, just paste this link.
But the first version will have bugs. Here's how you fix them fast.
And as I said in the beginning, it's not going to be perfect. And as you can see, there are a bunch of bugs. For example, the YouTube logo is super small. Over here where it says upload your thumbnail is probably not going to work. As you can see, I'm clicking on it, it's not working. So these are the things we have to fix. And now in order to fix these things, we have to go back to Claude over here and basically just tell Claude what to fix. You don't need a specific prompt for this. So I'm just gonna say,
guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
I can't upload a thumbnail. When I click on upload, nothing happens. And then just send this message to Claude. And hopefully Claude should fix the problem. Now, once it's done, it's going to say, go ahead and try clicking the upload slot. It might work, it might not work. We have to prompt it again if it doesn't work. So I'm going to go back to the website over here. I'm going to refresh the page and let me click. It's still not working.
The upload button wasn't working. He went back to Claude and typed exactly what was broken, plain English. No coding knowledge needed. Claude fixed it automatically. One refresh and the tool worked perfectly.
So we have to prompt that again in order for it to work. So go back to Claude and say, it still doesn't work. When I click, nothing happens. Can you fix this? I need to click on upload and be able to upload.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
Image, and send this prompt to Claude and wait for him to fix it. All right, Claude is done coding, so let's go back to our tool and see if it's working. I'm going to refresh the page, so always remember to refresh the page after Claude Code is done coding something new. So I'm going to hit here, refresh, and let's see if we can upload our thumbnail. Boom, there we go. We can upload our thumbnail. So I'm going to upload a thumbnail over here. Let's say I'm going to upload this one.
Now you need real looking thumbnails to test against. This next part is actually fun.
Much powerful tool. That is why I'm going to be using Higgsfield. So down in the description, there's going to be a link to Higgsfield over here. And as you can see with Higgsfield, you can create images, you can create videos, you can create audio, you can create an AI avatar, a character. Basically, everything you're seeing right now over here on the dashboard was created with Higgsfield, which is absolutely insane.
Use a tool called Higgsfield to generate realistic YouTube thumbnails. Pick Nano Banana Pro model, set it to 16:9. Type in your niche, gaming, finance, travel. Hit generate. 20 seconds later, your thumbnails are ready to download.
As I said, there's going to be a link down in the description to Higgsfield. Go to Higgsfield and create an account with Higgsfield. Once you have an account, go over here to the dashboard, and over here where it says image, click on image and then click on create image over here. Now here we will create the thumbnails for our thumbnail tester tool. So basically over here in the chat box, you want to make sure you choose the right model.
Now plug those thumbnails into your tool. This is where everything comes together.
Now we have realistic looking thumbnails, and over here we can upload our own thumbnail. So let me refresh the page and let me upload my own thumbnail. So over here I'm going to upload my own thumbnail. And now as you can see, I have an idea of how my thumbnail looks next to other thumbnails. Is it clickable? Do I need to make any new changes? Do I need to modify something? Do I need to play with colors? Because for example, right now what I'm seeing,
add the generated thumbnails into your tool folder. Refresh the page. Upload your own thumbnail. Now compare side by side. He noticed his face looked too white next to others. Fixed it. That one small change means more clicks on every video.
Is that my face is way too white. Look at these faces over here. They have better shadows and they have better colors, right? My face is way too white. So what I can do now is go back in Photoshop and add some color to my face to make sure that my face doesn't look like I'm a zombie.
That's the full THU MBS system. 6 steps, your own thumbnail tester. Built with Claude, free to learn right now. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.